Hi, in this video let me show you how you can download and install Capcut on your HP laptop. Let's get started right away. You're going to go on the Microsoft Store. Down below you should see a shopping bag. This is the Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, go in the search bar, type Microsoft Store and it will appear. It comes included from the factory. So click on it. It will launch. Go on the top. Type Capcut. One of the first options should be Capcut. It's free, so I will click on this. If your install button is grayed out and even if you click nothing is happening, this is because you need to be logged in into your Microsoft account to download it. So you're going to click on the top right corner here, sign in. Sign in. If you have already connected a Microsoft account to this laptop, you're going to see it here. You can click on it. If not, go ahead, click sign in, enter your email and password. Okay, after I logged in, I can now press install. And at this point, I don't have to do anything. It will download and install by itself. You can even do something else on your computer in the meanwhile. Perfect, it has been installed. You can press open, or if you have closed the window, usually you can get a shortcut over here. Let me open it. The first thing it will do once you downloaded Capcut is that it will analyze your laptop just to see that it's powerful enough to be run on. So be patient. This is just the first time it's doing this testing environment. Don't worry. Everything checked, you're going to get your computer can run Capcut smoothly. Press confirm and it will open the app. Press agree and continue. And now it will guide you on how Capcut works. So they will probably also try to sell you Capcut Pro with many other features. It's up to you if you want that. But overall, let me just press close here and skip this tutorial. Every time you want to start a new video, create project on the top. This will appear and it will guide you the first time. Again, import your videos by clicking here, selecting them, etc. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if it was useful, comment if it wasn't for a reason I don't know, and I'll see you in the next one.